Hi guys, good morning. So, ito yung ulam ko, may noodles dyan, tapos may salted fish, then ham, spam. So, ito yung kain ko today. Today's video is January 18, 2025. So, dyan may juice dyan kasahira. Inumin ko yan kasi sayang. So, stay at home lang kami kasi hindi pwede magpunta sa pesta. Kasi hindi pa si Sahira. Nag-observe pa kami sa kanya kasi may allergy siya. So, yan. Simple life but happy. Together with my family. So, Kuya Anati is not here because it's Saturday, maybe this afternoon. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making 700 subscribers and my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for making my YouTube growing up, even though some people keep talking bad about me. So, thank you so much for everyone.